Hey guys, it's Eric from Eric3D, and today I'm going to talk about how I fixed my CR10S from randomly pausing during prints. Okay, so what would happen is during a print, let's say halfway in, it would just pause randomly. It would either say error, change filament, or paused, or like print paused. And I didn't know what happened, so I just kept on printing, and it kept on, same thing kept on happening. So the same thing kept on happening over and over again. And one day I just took off the filament sensor and I disconnected the wire for the filament sensor. I put that green like cap back on the wire, and once I did that, after that all my prints started to not pause. I printed thoroughly all the way from start to end without a pause. And that's basically how I did it. I just took off the filament sensor, took off the wire, put that green cap back on the wire so it like closes the circuit, I guess. And after that, my prints started working as they should be working from start to end, no interruptions at all. So if this happens to you, or you know someone that is having this issue with their CR10S, this is how I fixed the problem. I'm not sure if this works for everyone. It worked for me, and I'm telling you guys to inform you if this occurs with your printer, to help you if needed. And yeah, pretty much that's all I did to fix the CR10S randomly pausing. If you are experiencing this problem with your CR10S, you can try it out, see if it works for you. Or if you know someone that is experiencing this issue as well as you can tell them about this method of solving it. I'm not sure if it'll work for everyone, but I know it worked for me, and it's been working very well since I did it, and I'm really happy that I figured this out. And I hope this will help out some of you guys out there maybe experiencing this problem as well. I don't know why it happened to me. I might have had a defective filament sensor or something, but I just took it off and it's fine now. I don't think I need the filament sensor anymore. It works like a charm, as like the Ender 3 and all the other printers work. So yeah, if this helps you out, that's amazing. I would love to hear your feedback on this method. And yeah, stay safe, have a good one. I'll see you in the next one.